So we're back at the Y, guys.
YMCA.
YMCA.
It literally says it after YMCA.
I'm trying to get used to grabbing this camera, y'all. Okay? So, it's dark, but let's go. Hello. We're here for the Bridge and Literacy.
All the way down.
Thank you.
That was the last day of school.
When today?
Yesterday. Yeah, it was yesterday. That was the last day.
Today, Saturday.
Yeah. So some of them.
The vending machine got real snacks. Like, what?
They got an apple in here.
Come on.
Where is it?
Keep on going, Jason. It's probably to the right. To the right, to the left. Hello. Hi.
Here's the star. Stara. Okay,
Right, your name?
I'm putting a hole. What is your hole?
You don't need swimming lessons anymore, do you?
I don't know.
We got some books. What we got?
I got which this book.
Which?
Watch this book, and then I got a book about Beyonce, and then I got Locker Set 37, and then I got Who's
Cool.
Disney. Oh, I gotta go get something.
I'm gonna pass y'all and ask y'all who I showed in that book. Look at my snacks. That's our snack.
Families, while you guys are chomping down, I'm going to talk to you about your go-home bag today. Of course, like what I like to do every time, I put in there some
Disrespectful.
I'm just trying to help with literacy skills inside your go-home
I
bag.
know she ain't trying to trick me.
The focus for this month is
So we're gonna be painting a bunny, y'all. So here's our paint.
It's all
Our water.
well, I'm gonna do it back.
Our canvas. And our paint brushes. We got 2 paint brushes and a piece of chalk. Chalk.
I think chalk is to draw it out.
Probably sound like the outline.
No, you ain't messing up. She trying to grass. Hold up. Stop what you doing. Stop what you doing. Stop what you doing. Babe, stop what you doing. Look at the camera. Stop what you doing. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell, be notified. We wait for a guy. It is free.
Okay, now you're gonna make like the little small.
The results above money. We should put some Jordans on their feet.
No.
Yeah, put some Jordans on their feet. That'd be raw.
Let it dry.
Shake it.
In the sun.
Yeah. Usually I bring hair dryers. Yeah.
Jason, here.
I said so far, y'all.
I'm sorry, you can decorate your nails. Start with the pink one first.
I know.
Oh, hold on, it's blurry.
So this is the end of our painting lesson. Here,
Start with
why? This is the finishing results. The Halls family did this. Starra, Mika, and Jason.
And what's his name?
Luigi.
It's me, Bunny.
Luigi.
So we're gonna check on Starra. Come on. This the room Star was in. They got the Wii, PlayStation. They got all that in there. Y'all see the Wii right there. They got all type of different games. See the big Connect 4 over there. So they was in this room playing. That's how they was doing. Ping pong. All the stuff. Legos. They got everything in there. So waiting on them to come, so when we leave, no, I don't know what we're gonna do, we're gonna eat, what? I don't know what we're gonna do right after this, but we'll figure it out.
30 wings. We got some wings, some fries, a drink, Tahitian treat, fruit punch. If y'all never had that fruit punch, it's real good.
Right there.
And we just in and out this vlog eating. Oh, you better pray.
Amen.
Amen. So that's all. We just don't end the video like that, y'all. So we thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. My headband went all the way back. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified. If y'all new to our channel, you haven't subscribed yet, what you waiting for? Cause it's free. Show them us eating it. You can kind of like, you know how you
Yeah.
speed it up, move it around.
Speed up, yeah. I'm gonna put it down right here so all is on it. I know you want to sit down and eat it. And
I need some fries, Tara.
Well, how was I supposed to know?
Cause you right there.
It's gonna sound like little munchkins.
You want some fries?
Yeah. More.
More?
Thank you.
about to be so good.
Okay, put it down.
Look at the cat. Oh, you're a little hungry. Oh, she's dark. She likes chocolate.
You want to put it on?
What?
Oh. Yeah, all this will be squeezed up.
Huh?
So
You
put
quit.
Huh?
what you said first, I'm gonna put that. I'm gonna put the speed up part. Then what you said last.
Who do you think you are, Mr. Beaster?
We got this chicken from Journey's Chicken. That's the name of the place here. It's called Journey's Chicken. It's like snappers or hooks. It's a little chicken joint. Bye, y'all.